Hi! Welcome to Missologist. So last week I did not do a cider tasting. Various reasons, just didn't really have time last week. But I was not going to not do one this week. So that being said, this week we have Schilling hard cider, Big Zesty, which is guava lemonade. It's 19.2 fluid ounces, so a true English pint, and 6.9 alcohol per volume. The description, let's see. Well, sorry, I was just reading something about calories, but I don't know if there's any real description on here. It's hard cider made with fresh pressed apple juice, guava puree, natural flavors, purple carrot juice, and sulfites. But anyway, it sounds really interesting, so let's give it a try, shall we? Okay. Ooh, that does smell really good. It smells very much like guava. That's just what I'm getting, and that makes sense because it's guava lemonade, but you're just getting blasted with the guava scent, and it's pleasant, the scent, so definitely not a bad thing. Okay, so let's pour some in here. Uh-oh. Now I'm making a mess. Okay, I did make a mess, but that's more about my pouring than the guava lemonade. Okay, so if you can see it, it's very much just an apple color. I wouldn't say there's anything super, special about the color. It just looks like apple cider. So let's give it a try. Okay. It's good. Again, it's really just the guava that I'm getting hit with. It's guava lemonade, but I'm not really sure why they call it that. I would call it guava cider. I'm not really sure why it's a lemonade per se, but you definitely really get the guava flavor very strongly in this, and that's not a bad thing. It's actually very good, very tropical, very refreshing, different. And I tend to like Schilling stuff. They also have a Portland cider room, tasting room, where you can go and try a bunch of their different ciders and eat food and that kind of stuff. They have like 100 different ciders there, but I tend to enjoy their stuff. Sometimes it can be a little weird, but for the most part I would say they do have very good ciders. There's one in particular, I'm forgetting what it's called. It's something cosmic or something, and it's just their apple cider, and it's really good. It's really, really, really yummy. Very high ABV though, like 8%, so you have to be careful with that. But this is lower. I will say you can't really taste the fact that it's 6.9. Sometimes I worry about that with cider, is like, oh, is it gonna be too strong? The ethanol, the alcohol flavor. Because sometimes, the more the ABV, the more you do get that taste. Or sometimes even I've had ciders that are really hoppy, and that's kind of weird too. But no, this is very nice. It's very pleasant. Like I said, it's pretty much tropical tasting, which is kind of a nice change, because most of the ciders I've been having lately have been more winter flavors, or darker fruits, marionberry, blackberry, berry in general, but this is very tropical and like makes me feel like I'm in the tropics. I don't know, it's good. Yeah, it's nice, but again, really just getting the guava with this one. So anyway, if you're a fan of guava, definitely try this. You will not be disappointed. If you're not a fan of guava, maybe try it anyway. You might find that you enjoy it. I definitely like it. I think it's very tasty, so would recommend it. And yeah, thank you for watching my happy hour cider review. Cheers!